first of all, we'll slice the onion. Separate these pieces like this. So now in the bowl over here, I have cornstarch and flour mix. To this, I will add salt and pepper. Also, I'll add the milk, water slowly to make a slurry, and we'll add salt to it. We will boil the beans. The beans have been in the water for 5 minutes now, and we'll add the drained beans into it. And I'll add butter, garlic. Along with the garlic, I'll add mushrooms, add the flour and salt with the mix. Now we'll add the vegetable broth to it, and we'll also add. Now this has become nice and creamy and thick. So for the next step, we will add the beans. We'll give it a little mix. Have our fried onions or baked onions. Give it a mix. And now we'll put it for baking. The bean casserole is finally ready, and you can see how bubbly and hot it is.